Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Jnana Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to study the chapter Geometric Construction, chapter number 4, Math Second. Now, in today we are going to study the some construction to divide a line segment in the given ratio. Draw a segment AB of length 6 cm. Divide it in the ratio 3:2. Now yesterday we have seen that divide the given segment in equal parts. Now today we are going to study the divide the segment in the given ratio 3:2. Means this segment is divided into 5 equal parts. See how this segment is divided in the ratio 3:2. Firstly, draw the segment 6 cm and draw the one of the angle at point A or B. That angle is measure of that angle is 20, 25, 30, 40 or 50 degree. We draw here the angle 40 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Then draw the ray which started from the point A. In this way we draw the ray. Now take some distance between two terminals of the compass. The distance is not so accurately, but it is the approximately distance like this, and draw the 6 arc on this ray. These are the 5 arc on this ray, 3 and 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So draw the 5 arc on this ray, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this way we draw the 5 arc on this ray and join this 5th arc with the point B, that is the end point of this segment. Now we get here one of the angle. Now we want to draw the same angle at point this A3. This is the A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. We write down the name of this arc is A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So for that, take a distance between two terminals of the compass. This distance is also approximately, and draw the arc which intersect two sides of the angle. Then put it distance as it is and draw the arc in this way. We draw the second arc which started from this ray and goes to the upper side. Then again take a distance between these two sides of the angle at this previous arc. We draw the previous arc. That arc intersect at the 2 point of the side of the angle. Then take a distance between these two terminal and put it as it is and draw the arc on this first. We draw the first arc of this, draw the second arc. These two arcs are intersect at this point. Now draw the segment which is started from this A3. This segment intersect this segment AB at point M. In this way, these are the two parts and these are the three parts. 1, 2, 3 means this AM is the three parts and MB is the two parts. In this way we divide the given segment in the ratio 3:2. 2. Then we see the construction to construct triangle whose sides are given. Construct triangle ABC such that AB equal to 4.5, BC equal to 5.5 centimeter, AC equal to 6 centimeter. Means three sides of the triangle are given. Firstly, draw the bigger side of the triangle, that is the 6 centimeter. In this way we draw the 6 centimeter side. Then take a distance between two terminals of the compass is 4.5 centimeter, that is the AB, 4.5, and put the one of the terminal at point A and draw the arc. Then take a distance 5.5 centimeter, that is the BC. Put the one terminal at the point C and draw the arc. The previous arc and this arc intersect at point B. That point B is joined with C. We get the second side of the triangle. Then point B joined with the A. We get the third side of the triangle. In this way we draw the triangle. Then again we see the some triangle construction of triangle ABC such that three sides are given. AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 6 centimeter, AC equal to 7 centimeter. Then firstly draw the longest side, that is the 7 centimeter AC. In this way we draw the AC. Then take a distance 5 centimeter between the two terminals of the compass and draw the arc from this point A, upper side of this AC. In this way we draw the arc. Then again take a distance BC 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and draw the second arc from this side, from this point C. Now the two arcs are intersect. That intersecting point is again B. Join this B with C. We get the second side of the triangle. Then this B join with the point A. We get the third side of the triangle. In this way we complete the construction of triangle. Then again see the construct triangle DEF such that angle D equal to 35 degree, angle EF equal to 100 degree, and length DF equal to 5 centimeter. Means in this construction the two angles and included side is given. So firstly draw the included side DF, that is the 5 centimeter. Then draw the angle at point D, that is the 35 degree. In this way match this line 0 with this side. Then 0, 10, 20, 30, 35. Put here one of the point. Draw the ray which is started from the point D, and this ray make angle 35 degree with point at the point D. Then again put the protector at point F and take a measure of the angle is 100 degree at point F. See the outside reading 100. Then draw the ray which started from the point F. Now this ray make an angle of 100 degree at point F. In this way this previous ray and the second ray intersect each other, that point is E. In this way we construct the triangle DEF. Then again see the construction of triangle. Construct triangle MNP such that MP 6 cm, NP 5 cm and angle P equal to 75 degree. Now in this construction two sides are given and one of the included angle is given. So for that construction draw the one side, that is the PN. PN equal to 5 centimeter. Then put the protector at point P, because the measure of angle P equal to 75 degree. So see the zero line, then measure the reading 0, 10, 20 in this way 75. Then draw the ray which started from the point P. This ray make an angle 75 degree at point P. Then take a distance 6 centimeter MP. In a compass between two terminal, take a distance 6 centimeter, put the one terminal at point P and draw the arc on this ray. This arc intersect at point, that point is M. So join this M with N. Then we get the third side of the triangle. In this way we complete the triangle MNP. Then again see the construction of the triangle. Construct triangle XYZ such that measure of angle Y equal to 90 degree, length XY equal to 4.5 centimeter and length XZ equal to 7 centimeter. Now in this triangle construction two sides are given. One of the side is the hypotenuse of that right angle triangle, and at the point Y there is the 90 degree. So firstly draw the one of the line. The length of line is not measure, so draw the one of the line. Take a point Y, add on this line, then put the protector at point Y and match the zero line with this line and make an angle 90 degree at point Y. In this way we draw the ray which started from this point Y. We get here 90 degree angle at point Y. Then take a distance between two terminals of the compass, that is the XY 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter in this way. Then put the one of the terminal of the compass at point Y and draw the one of the arc on this ray, that is the XY. Here the point XY 4.5. Then take a distance between two terminal XZ, that is the 7 centimeter. In this way we take a distance 7 centimeter. We know the point X, so put the one terminal at point X and draw the arc on this line. Firstly we draw the line, draw the arc on this line. We get here point Z. Now join this point Z with X. We get the right angle triangle XYZ. In this way we complete the construction of the triangle. There are 4 construction of the triangles. Good day, goodbye, okay.